This is a great question. You're asked to subtract these two rationals. So to do that, you need a common denominator. First step, factor that denominator. So it'll be y over y minus 9, y plus 1. Is that right? Y squared plus, yeah, that's right, minus 5 over y plus 1. So to get a common denominator, it looks like I need to include a y minus 9 on this one. So y minus 9. So now I've got a common denominator, which is y minus 9 times y plus 1. So on the top I'll have y, and then this will be, I'm going to write it out. This will be minus 5 times y minus 9. I was going to try and do that all at once, but probably better to put in the extra steps. So this will be y minus 5y plus 45 all over the common denominator. And so this would be a negative 4y plus 45 over y minus 9, y plus 1. And I don't think I can factor anything on the top there, so I'd probably just leave it right there.